How to create a no-code app for your small business. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to create a no-code app for your small business. As a small business owner, having your own app can give you a competitive edge and enhance customer satisfaction. The best part is, you don't need any coding skills to achieve this. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional app that you can utilize for your business or personal use. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then, you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. And Jotform is an incredible online tool that empowers you to build forms, surveys, quizzes, and more without the need for coding. With Jotform, you can create a customized app that perfectly aligns with your brand identity and fulfills your customers' requirements. Whether you want to manage customer orders, gather feedback, or provide personalized services, Jotform offers a range of templates and tools to make it possible. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To start creating a no-code app with Jotform, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. There, you'll find various options for signing up. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email address. Select the option that works best for you and follow the steps to create a new account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. To begin, navigate to the top left side of the Jotform dashboard and click on the My Forms option. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Select the My Apps option from the menu. You will then be directed to the My Apps page where you can see a list of any existing apps you have created. If you have not created any apps yet, this page will be empty. To create a new app, click on the Create App button located at the top left side of the page. This will take you to another page with 4 different options: Start from Scratch, Use a Template, Clone Existing App, and Build Store. From here, you can choose the option that best suits your needs. Whether you want to build an app from scratch, use a pre-designed template, clone an existing app, or explore the Jotform App Store, you have the freedom to tailor your app creation process to fit your specific requirements. For this tutorial, we will select the Use Template option. This will take us to the Templates library, where we can browse through a variety of templates organized into different categories. These categories can be found in the left menu. If you don't find a suitable category that meets our requirements, you can click on the All Categories option to see all available categories. Once you clicked, now scroll down and click on the Social Bio Link Apps category. Upon clicking, you will be directed to a page displaying the available Social Bio Link App templates. In this tutorial, we will choose the Brand Instagram Bio Link App template. To preview the template, click on the Preview button located under this template. A window will appear on the screen, allowing you to preview the app. Here you will find the Use Template option. Click on it to proceed. The template may take a moment to load, and then you will be taken to the template's interface. Once the template is opened, you will notice that it consists of different sections such as Build, Settings, and Publish. These sections allow you to customize and configure various aspects of the app according to your preferences and needs. In the Build section, you can customize the design and layout of the app you have chosen. The interface of the template we have selected is quite simple and intuitive. As you scroll down, you will notice that the app is divided into different screens or pages. If you wish to add a new page to the app, there are 2 ways to do so. The first way is by locating the Add New Page button between the existing pages of the app. Clicking on this button will create a new page where you can add your desired content. Alternatively, you can also find the Add Page button at the bottom right side of the template interface. Clicking on this button will create a new page at the end of the existing pages, allowing you to add different elements to it. Apart from adding pages, you can also customize the app according to your requirements. Customizing the content of the app is very easy. To update and customize any existing content, simply click on the element you want to modify and the right sidebar will open specifically for that content. For example, if you want to change the name of the app, click on the current name, in our case, Zay Fashion Store. This action will open the right sidebar. Within the right sidebar, you will find 3 different sections. In the General section, you can add the app's name and description. navigate to the App Title field to input the desired name for your app. Similarly, in the App Description field, you can change the description of the app. In the Logo section, you have the option to change the logo of the app. You can also adjust its size to fit your preferences. Additionally, in the Style section, you can modify the background color, background image, and text color of the app. Furthermore, you can choose to align the header to the left, center, or right. You can follow the same method to customize other sections of the template, allowing you to tailor the app to your liking and needs. In addition to customizing the existing content of the template, you also have the flexibility to add new elements to enhance your app. To add a new element, navigate to the left sidebar of the template interface and click on the Add Element option. By doing so, a left sidebar will appear, presenting you with a variety of elements to choose from. You can add basic elements such as forms, signed documents, headings, paragraphs, links, images, and more. Additionally, there are widgets available including data grids, PDF embedders, fit text, and others. For example, if you want to add a form to your app, simply click on the Add Element button and then select the Form option located in the Basics section. Upon clicking, a pop-up window will appear offering different types of forms to choose from. Let's say you want to add a Schedule Store appointment form. Select it and then click on the Add Forms button. The form will now be added to your app. Initially, the form will be added to the bottom of the app. However, you can easily change the position of the form by dragging and dropping it to the desired location within the app. For instance, if you want to place it at the top of the home page, drag and drop the form to that position. Once you have positioned the form, click on it, and the right sidebar will open specifically for that element. In the right sidebar, you have the ability to customize the name of the form. For example, if you want to name the form Connect with Me, replace the existing name in the form labeled field with Connect with Me. Additionally, you can add a description for the form in the Form Description field. The style of the form can also be adjusted within the Style section of the right sidebar. In addition to customizing the elements and content of your app, you also have the ability to manage the navigation settings. To access this feature, click on the Navigation Settings option located at the bottom right side of the template interface. By doing so, a right sidebar will open, allowing you to modify various properties related to the navigation menu. You can toggle the navigation on or off, choose to display icons, change the menu names, and more. Furthermore, you can also manage the store properties of your app. To do this, click on the Store Properties option, which will enable you to make adjustments and modifications specific to your app. Once you have made all the necessary customizations to your app, you can preview it by navigating to the right side of the interface and clicking on the Preview App option. Upon clicking, you will be able to see a preview of your app in different formats, such as phone, tablet, and desktop. This allows you to ensure that your app looks and functions as intended across various devices and screen sizes. Once you have customized the design and layout of your quiz app in the Build section, you can further tailor its settings in the Settings section. By clicking on this section, you will be directed to a page where you can customize various app settings, including the app name, icon, and splash screen. Take your time to manage these settings according to your preferences and requirements. Once you are satisfied with the changes, proceed to the next step. In the Publish section, you have the ability to share your app and embed it on different platforms. To share your app with others, navigate to the Quick Share section. Here you can find a shareable link that you can copy and distribute to others. Additionally, you can invite people by email to view your app. Moreover, you can download a QR code for your app by clicking on the Download QR Code button. This QR code can be used to provide a convenient way for users to access your app. Furthermore, if you want to see how your app looks in a separate tab, you can click on the Open in a New Tab button, which will open your app in a new browser tab. In the Embed section, you have the option to copy and embed a code. This code can be pasted into any WordPress website, allowing you to seamlessly embed your app within the website's content. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to create a no-code app for your small business in Jotform. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.